Have you ever found yourself with the struggle of handing off your designs to the developers, pretty much doing a lot of things manually using different plugins or sticky notes in order to document your designs? I think that's no longer a problem because Figma has recently released their new dev mode, which come with awesome new features. And we're gonna dive into two new ones, measurements and annotation. Let me show you how it's done. When you open the Figma file, in this case, I have a previous design that I've done and it was documented in a different way. I used to have to do everything manually, but now with the new Figma dev mode, you don't have to do that anymore. So in this case here, design of FlexPass, you can already see that I have a lot of design documentation here, but it's so much better now being able to just like drag and drop and just pull some stuff and make it available for the developers. And I'm going to show you the example of measurements. Let's start with measurements. If you want to show like the visual cue of what is this and what is the spacing looks like, you can just drag it here after clicking on the button on the measurement icon over here. And then you can just drag and show the spacing, show what is the white space, measurements and stuff like that here in Figma. And also other thing that you can do is instead of documented things in post-its or whatnot, you can actually just come here and click on Annotate. So when you click on Annotate, you're gonna pretty much open this little box and you can put some comments inside of here. In this case, you can say this explore button takes user to the home screen. And there you go. You already have a way of documenting things without making it look chaotic. And if you don't want to see this anymore inside of your designs, your design file, you could just switch off dev mode and it's clean as it can be. And obviously you can have a little note here on the side and you can view annotation in the dev mode again, so which automatically activate everything. Yeah, this is the very exciting feature here in the dev mode. Try to explore, test it out, see what is the best fit for your team and for the developers you're working with so that you can have the best handoff as possible. There has been a lot of questions about the pricing for the dev mode. At the moment, it's free until January 1st of 2025. Until then, it's going to be free for all of us and you're going to be able to test it out, learn a bit more of how to get things done. And in January 2025, you have to pay $25, which I think is fair enough because there's going to be a lot of benefits and you no longer have to waste time trying to document things on sticky notes as such and are using loads of plugins just to do a handoff. You're actually going to be capable of doing so much more in just few clicks and be able to focus on what is actually important, the user needs or the business goals. So if you like this video, please remember to drop that like, share with some friends that want to learn more about design or AI. See you in the next one.